everybody. It's game time. It is game time. And today, for your viewing pleasure, I present 2 boxes of Leaf Perfect Game. These are the bonus boxes I've been able to get from one seller. I'm trying to remember. These, I think, are normally a part of one of those Leaf Vault boxes that come with one of these and then like a full box of something else, and whenever you buy it you're not entirely sure what your something else is going to be. You're like taking a chance. I'm not sure how this person got these. Maybe they bought a case of the vaults and just decided not to open these and to sell them. I'm not sure, honestly, but anyways, I've been buying them because they're selling them at a really good price. Everything in there is, excuse me, everything in there is a hit. I think they're all autos, and like most of them are, I think, one of ones even. So I can't remember. I opened these before, but I opened so much stuff I can't remember. So I'm going to open both of these. Like, my trend of opening multiple boxes in one video is probably going to continue. Although I did ask for everybody's kind of input on that. I guess it will depend. If it's like a big box of 24 packs, then opening multiples of those would take forever, so I probably won't do that. So it'll probably be a per case basis. But anyways, I'm opening both of these right now. Let's do it. 5 hits, 2017 baseball, so a really good checklist, a really good rookie checklist. Hopefully, I'll get 1 or 2 recognizable rookie names in each of these, I hope. Alright, let's see. Alright, I'll just do it like this. So the first one is 2 out of 4, so not 1 of 1. They're not all 1 of 1s. Jonathan Childress. So a super short print. Jonathan needs to work on his signature. Jonathan, you're not famous yet, so it'd be nice if you did a little better on your autograph. Number 2 is, oh Lord, Carlos Lurs, and this is a 1 of 1. Oh yeah, it tells on the back, I forgot. On the 1 of 1s it says Leaf Perfect Game National Showcase blank back gold 1 of 1 base auto. Carlos Lurs. The next is a Carter Stewart. That's funny, it says patch. Autograph that is a 1 of 1. Perfect Game National Black Plate 1 of 1. And it is a patch auto, so it's a plate of what was a patch auto, and now it's just an auto. So that's pretty cool. Oh baby. Look who's next. 1 of 1 Nolan Gorman. Very nice. That is sweet. He is up and coming player for sure. This is the blank back 1 of 1 base auto. This makes it the whole box worth it. This is a great card right now. It may not stay that way, but for the moment. Hopefully by the time I post this that hasn't changed, but we'll see. So that is 4. Our last card is Noah Naylor, and this is another 1 of 1. This is the Perfect Game All-American Metal Auto Star Etch Pre-Production Proof Wave Pink. That is a mouthful. I don't know much about Noah Naylor. The only thing I know is that he has autos in Bowman's Best. But yeah, another 1 of 1. So we ended up with 4 1 of 1s and then a 2 of 4. I'd say that is pretty good. Alright. Moving on. That was a good box. I don't know if this will be able to top that, but hopefully it does. Alright, we're starting off with A Matthew Liberatore, who I have heard of, autograph 4 of 5. It's a sticker auto. Recognizable name, so I consider that a win in my book. So Liberatore is card 1. Card 2 is, if I can get it out of here, it is a 1 of 1. Christian McLeod, 1 of 1. And this is the National Showcase blank back green 1 of 1 base auto. Have not heard of Christian McLeod. But apparently he is a pitcher, and that's all I know. So that's 2. 3 is going to be a plate, and it is, oh, his name's backwards. Let me see. Lyon Richardson, who I have heard of. This is the black plate 1 of 1 metal auto. Not bad, not bad. And it looks like we have him again. Yes, we do. And this is the National Showcase Metal Auto Leaf Etch Pre-Production Proof Wave Gold 1 of 1. You know, I like the idea of the plates, but I mean, as far as just the look of the card. But look, this is the same. This is it, just backwards. I'll probably sell these together because it's just kind of cool that this is the proof for this. Alright, last one is Kendall, Logan, Simmons, who I have heard of, but I don't think he's like, people aren't like hyping him up very much for the moment. This is the Metal Auto Star Etch Pre-Production Proof Wave Blue. Again, 1 of 1. So I think box 1 definitely was better. For sure. But I have heard of this guy, so these are actually pretty cool. Alright, that's it. 2 boxes. I can get this in 2016, but man, the last time I busted that one open, I remember it being pretty disappointing. So I don't know if I'll do that, or maybe grab a few more of these while he's still got them. He or she, I don't know. I shouldn't always assume it's a man. Women love cards too. I can attest to that. But yeah, I may get some more of these to crack. They're just, I mean, it's no nonsense, a good price, and if you get lucky to get, you know, 1 or 2 good players, you definitely will be able to recoup the cost of the box. So that's that. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you again soon.